presently what you're doing. Start.
Yeah. I'm Harish. I have done my school. I have from Kolar. I have done my schooling and up to PSI I have done in Andhra. Later, I shifted to for graduation and post graduation in Chikbalapura and Karnataka, Bangalore. So I have done my post graduation and I joined for CMTI and I am here now.
Okay. So how did you get to know about CMTI, Harish?
Starting while I'm in college, I have done internship in CMTI only, and also my friends also got placed by training here. So I joined for CMTI.
Okay. So what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your college syllabus?
Yeah, okay. నేను యాక్చువల్గా సిఎంటీలో జాయిన్ అయింది ఫర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ఇంటీరియర్ డిజైన్ కోర్స్. ఇన్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఐ హావ్ లెర్న్డ్ అబౌట్ లైక్ consequence of construction, reading of drawings and quantity estimation, material calibration and all. And when it come to interior design, I have learned about SketchUp and also cut list and also what are the materials that we use in the interiors and all.
Okay, fine. So, like, what about your trainers and all, Natarajan sir or Kambi sir, Srinivasan sir? How was their training?
Yeah, all are good men, but especially the Natarajan sir and also that teach me very well regarding the construction and all. I mean, for interiors, the Ashok sir and Irsha sir were treated very well, and we have learned so many things apart from the theoretical knowledge in college.
Okay, fine. Then coming to your site visits training, how was that?
Yeah, overall good, ma'am. Especially site visits are helped me to get the practical knowledge that practical is more different from the theoretical knowledge. So it's very helpful for me while going for site visits and all in both interior and construction.
Okay, fine. Then coming to like your software training, how was your software training, Harish?
Yeah, software. So I have learned about AutoCAD, ETABS, so AutoCAD and MSP and also SketchUp. So this overall good. My AutoCAD was taught by Srinivasan sir. It was very helpful for me. That's all.
Okay, fine. So what about Ashok sir, career guidance and interview guidance and all, Harish? Can you
Yeah,
tell me
yes,
about that?
Yeah, Ashok sir teach me about the how to crack the interviews and how to prepare the resume for cracking for the good companies, and also is very friendly with the students. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Very helpful for me cracking interview.
Okay. So what about CMTI app and all, Harish? How did that help you?
Yeah, it's helpful for me. Why? Because when due to some circumstances, I absent for few classes that I have seen and
You have missed few classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So the classes are seen by that is recorded in CMT app. So app were helpful for me when I was not willing to attend for offline classes.
Okay, fine. So if you're like missing some other classes, you can take it over in your CMTI app.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then coming to your CMTI staffs and also, how was their coordination throughout the process, Harish? Can you tell me about this?
CMT staff are very friendly, and also the students I met here from they are coming from various states and various districts. So I met so many people with different for me. So it's useful for me to stay with any such kind of people.
Opportunities, Harish. Can you tell me about?
Yeah, CMT providing more opportunities in construction and also interior field. There are so many reputed companies are coming for CMTI to acquire the people, students and all.
So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I definitely suggest my friends and juniors to join here for
Yeah.
and also
Thank you so much.
experience.
Okay. Thank you, Harish. Thank you so much for your feedback.
Thank you so
All the
much.
best for your future. And
Thank
once
you.
again, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Harish.